Hello everyone, my name is Madan and I'm the creator of UnboxBees, wherein we'll dive into unboxing, World Collectible Figures or WCF, and other One Piece stuff. But for today's video, we have another agenda which is explaining all of the figure conditions of every figure we'll have in the future. So, let's dive right into it. First up, we have MISB, which stands for Mint and Sealed Box. These figures are brand new and unopened, making them perfect for collectors who value pristine condition. Next is MIB, or Mint in Box. These figures are in excellent condition and include their original box, but they might have been opened. Yet, they're still great for display and collection. Then, we have MIP, which stands for Mint in Plastic. These figures are also in great condition and comes with original plastic sealing but doesn't come with a box. They're still desirable for collectors. Next is BIB or back in box. This means the figure is in a protected box within the original packaging, but it's not sealed anymore. It's still a good sign that the figure is well cared for. Finally, we have loose figures. These are out of their original packaging figures and may not come with any accessories, but they can be still in great shape for those who want to display or play with them. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the fun part, unboxing. In the next video, we'll cover a series of One Piece World Collectible Figure unboxing from different sets released by Banpresto. So like, comment, share, and subscribe for more unboxing videos here at Unbox Piece. Take care, Jana!